We wanted the video to achieve a few things. First of all, we wanted to identify the school vision, our values, our ethos that we have here at RBA. A video really helps to sell the school. From our own research, stakeholders are looking more now at videos rather than reading text online, so it's more accessible. We've been using school video productions for a few years now, and the reason that I keep going back is because there is a real understanding from the team about what we're looking for, and I like the input that I get in terms of putting the video together to really sell and promote the ethos and vision and values of the school. The framework that I was given before the team arrived in terms of a series of questions about what it is I wanted to achieve in the video and how we might go about achieving that, thinking about different subjects, different types of students, but also the script. Yeah, I think that really helped put the video together. The shoot days were a lot of fun. I really enjoy them, and I said that to the parents because we showed the parents, our prospective parents, the video. One of the things that I said at the end is how much fun we had making the video, not just the staff, not just myself, but the students involved too. It also gave us an insight into the sort of media industry. So yes, they are intense, but the final product is excellent. Watching it with all the children and the staff, which is what we do before we then take it to our parents, it makes us all feel really proud of what we've put together. And it just helps to reiterate what schools are about and what we're about. Parents love it, I think, because they all give a big round of applause after we've shown it at the prospective parents' evening. So I think they really appreciate being able to get a better insight into a day in the life at RBA. I would certainly recommend School Video Productions. As I said, a great team, but also I just appreciate the technical support and advice that comes with it as well.